All right. Ooh. All right. There we go. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so with this, we have good volume. And in a moment, I will look at the recording and test. Right now from the board, um, we're on channel 8, which we've tagged blue. And I'm getting meter readings on output that are on the lower third to middle of the graph on the output meter. Getting solid signal on that channel. I think noise wise, volume wise, I'm probably about right. The gain on this mic is pulled back to about true, looks like 10 o'clock. And some of these other channels are hotter, and they were part of the ones that were squealing at me. So we'll move on to them. This is the main mic on blue. I'm holding it like I'm pretty much a standard performer. I'm going to go ahead and put it into a mic stand right now, as they will see on the video. Pull that thing up a bit. Test 1, 2, test 1, 2. Hey, this thing drops off really quickly, it seems like to me. Seems like this wants to be right here. And if you get very far away from it at all, you've got nothing. I'm hoping we can see this in the camera 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. But this one, we're getting the best signal. Obviously, I can't see what the meter is doing from here, but I suspect we'll hear this in the recording. Test 2. Testing 1, 2, testing 1, 2. I'm on the gray wireless mic right now, a gray mic. I can kind of hear myself. I don't know. There we go. Again, this thing seems to be extremely distance sensitive. I suspect if we look at the board, I've got a decent signal. Actually, I've got a very low signal right now. Let's adjust this thing a bit. Okay, we're on gray. Looks like a gain on that channel. Oh, let us switch to solo. I've just switched that to solo. Oh my. Now I'm getting really good readings on it. I don't know if I sound any better, but the meter looks better. Gain on this one is cranked back to about 10 o'clock as well. And we're going to go ahead and move on to another mic here. Test 2, 3, test 2, 3, test 2, 3. Test 2, 3, test 2, 3. Okay, so this guy, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one picks up pretty well, regardless of distance, but definitely can have a sweet spot. All right, we probably need to bring that up. Tell you all a story about a man named Judd. That's my test. All right, let's go ahead and switch them. Go over to the lectern. For audio video purposes, this is the pulpit mic. That's the lectern mic. Both of those are wired. Okay, so we're gonna mute the lectern mic there. Okay, if we can hear it, lectern mic is showing up on the board as channel 3, and it is green, red, green, red. Okay. If I poke at the right button this time, I should now be on the lectern mic, which will test this theory right now. 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3. Test, 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 test. Now, none of this, in my opinion, is loud enough for when we have a crowd here. These things seem to be much more forgiving than our stick mics do. So let's keep moving along on tuning this. Okay, for those of you listening, this ends our part 1. We do want to come back, in my opinion, with the wireless lapel mic, because from what I've seen as far as distance issues for our celebrant, that probably is going to make the most sense, some kind of wireless mobile mic. Anyway, see you guys in part 2.